Whatever rewards and joys you reap, you'll appreciate them that much more because they will have come through your own sweat and tears, products of your own effort and your own talents. You've shown more grit and determination in your childhoods than a lot of adults ever will. That's who you are. We need everyone to broaden their ideas about what is possible. We need parents, politicians, and the media to see how success is possible, how success is happening every day. So that's why I came here today. Because if success can happen here, you have everything you need to get started. You've got no excuses. You have no excuses not to change the world. Did you study business? Go start a company. Or why not help a struggling non-for-profit find better, more effective ways to serve folks in need? You study nursing? Go. Understaffed clinics and hospitals across this country are desperate for your help. You study education? Teach in a high-needs school where the kids really need you. Give a chance to kids who can't get everything they need maybe in their neighborhood, maybe not even in their home, but we can't afford to give up on them. Prepare them to compete for any job anywhere in the world. You study engineering? Help us lead a green revolution, developing new sources of clean energy that will power our economy and preserve our planet. Find somebody to be successful for. Raise their hopes. Rise to their needs. That's what's made a difference in our lives, and it's going to make an even greater difference in your lives. Not just for your own success, because we live in a new world now. The hard road does not end here. Your journey has just begun. It won't protect you against every setback or challenge or mistake. You'll make some, I promise. You're going to have to keep working hard. You're going to have to keep pushing yourselves. And you'll find yourself sometime in situations where folks have had an easier time. They're a little bit ahead of you, and you're going to have to work harder than they are. And you may be frustrated by that. You may have setbacks and you may have failures, but you're not done. You're not even getting started. And if you ever forget that, just look to history. Colonel Sanders didn't open up his first Kentucky Fried Chicken until he was in his 60s.